In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Demon Byte account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in demonbyte.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Demon Byte. So if you want to create the account for yourself, it is actually very simple. Simply click on this register option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to create the account for yourself. All you have to do is fill in these details. First of all, click on the field of name. Now enter the name over here. After you do that, enter your phone number. Make sure to enter the correct phone number. Now after you do that, what you have to do is provide your email address. Make sure to provide the correct email address. Now what you have to do is create a password for yourself. Click on the field of password and create a very strong password for yourself. Now after you fill in these details, click on the next option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to enter the OTP and OTP will be sent to your phone number. What you have to do is simply enter that OTP over here. Now after you enter the OTP, what you have to do is simply press enter. After you do that, simply follow the on-screen instructions. The website will guide you through the necessary steps in order to register your account completely. After the registration has been completed, your account will be created. So that is how you create Demon Byte account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.